What's good, people? In today's video, I'm going to talk about the secret open gate that's on the Lumix S5. So I've been using the Lumix S5 since 2021 when I got it. And in 2022, I believe so, they released an update on the Lumix S1 to allow it to shoot open gate. And in 2023, they released the Lumix S5 2. And later the Lumix S5 2X, then the Lumix S9, and all of these cameras had open gate, which was annoying. And I kind of felt like with the Lumix S5, they released it in a pandemic and they just left us. They didn't give us an open gate. So I started researching about the open gate. I couldn't find anything. Then I was listening on a review by YJ Productions on YouTube. He was talking about how the Lumix S5 has an open gate. I was more curious, like, where is this open gate? I can't find it. Until one day I was on Reddit. I found an article by a guy called C Refractor, and he has the settings and the insight on the hidden menu on how you can get the open gate on the Lumix S5. So I'm gonna link the Reddit in my description so that you can go there and check the settings for yourself. I was amazed that Lumix had the setting in the settings, hidden in the settings, and people didn't know about it. So now I'm so excited that I can use this open gate that's in the Lumix S5. So those were the modes. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. The first mode was the anamorphic mode, which crops in. And the second mode was the 3x2, this open gate 3x2, but it shoots at 30 frames per second. And the third one was the 4x3, and it shoots at 60 frames per second. And the last one was the 16:9 mode that we always know. So it's close to the open gate that you get on the Lumix's new cameras. Is just something that's close. It's not the actual real thing. Because if you look at the footage, when you compare the footage, you will see that with the 16:9, you get the wide view, but it crops at the top and the bottom. With the 3x2, you get the top at the bottom, but it crops on the sides. So it's not the real open gate, but it's actually something. But anyway, let me know what you think about this open gate setting. What you think about it. Are you going to be using it on your videos? What do you actually think about it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like more content like this, or if you have any more ideas, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe, like, and share. God bless.